Rishika. I am from Chaitanya Deemed University. In the stream of CSE, passed out year is 2025. I have joined the Qspiders Institute in the month of June. I have took the course of software testing and which is done manual testing by the Hemant sir and core Java is done by Kaushik sir and Selenium is ongoing with Nandini ma'am. They have given more support and friendly way and encouraged me to attend the interviews in a proper way. And also during my internship, I have gained hands-on experience which is handled by the Varshi ma'am. She has been given more supportive and friendly way and she has explained in a easier way to solve the problems and perform the task in an internship. And later I have gained more experience. Based on the experience, I have got placed and the role is QA intern. Thank you.